third quarter starts, the owner of the house catches your daughter and his teenage daughter smoking marijuana in the garage. The homeowner makes a scene. Do you leave and not finish watching the game, or try to alleviate the situation and try to deal with it when you get home?
Man, we raised some cool kids, huh? Yeah, I was going to say I probably can't speak on that one, because I was probably that 15-year-old.
I told you, gummies!
They're gummies! It doesn't smell!
No, have I taught you anything?
Well, probably not the brightest to go outside in the garage and do it during a party. Yeah, I think that's what the problem would be for me. I'm like, we're kind of dumb. You go out back? Right. Like, what are we doing? Yeah, that's a deal breaker for me.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, you know what? I'm going. You gotta leave. Yeah. Can't watch the rest of the game.
Listen to it at 97 on the ticket.
Because you're right, you can't like, you know what, go home, I'm staying here, because you've already made poor life choices as is.
Listen, when this game is over, we're gonna talk.
You know what, I swear to God.
Let me finish my beer and then we'll go.
Your whole future depends on who wins this game.
Yeah, what mood I'm gonna be in.
You better root like hell.
That's wild. I'll pound a shot of Admiral. That was very wrong what you did there.
By the end of the game, Kenny's like, hey, wait, why was I mad?
Let's go outside, daughter.
Oh, she says, let's go, like, yeah!
I don't think about that. That's a good point. What mood would desire the punishment based on who wins the game?
No punishment.
Because if they win, you're just like,
Yeah,
No,
you let it go.
all right. If they lose, you embarrass them.
Right.
Yeah.
All your
in front of your friend's family.
Right. Awful. All right, here's another one, closer to home. Than your friend's friend. Not to be personal.
Okay.
Let me clarify that. Your sister invites you to her house to watch the Lions game. The problem is her husband is notoriously cheap. He keeps the house freezing, never has enough seating, never buys brand name snacks, and insists the guests BYOB their own drinks, even soda.
I love it you say name brand snacks.
How do you get out of this, or you just have to suck it up and go?
Great value snacks.
Yeah. Cheese poofs. Right. I would have said no the moment she asked.
Great chocolate cookie. Would you like some Chex Mix? Chips.
Chips.
There's no way I would go just on premise alone.
Yeah.
This is the game. No
No
chance.
shot.
Yeah. And it's not even a snack. I would eat
It doesn't sound like you'll have fun.
Yeah.
And they
Like the whole
freezing,
point of-
freezing your balls off.
The whole point of going to games and watching it with people is to have fun. And if we already have to discuss what's going to be on the menu, no.
And I don't think the cold is going to be that big of a factor because so many people are going to be sweating that one out. You might want to be in a cold spot, actually.
Yeah.
But the snacks, I kind of want those snacks. We should do that tomorrow. Or when Mike's in next.
Try to get the most generic we can find. That'd be a good contest.
We don't want that.
Who could find the most generic snacks?
It just says snacks on it.
I can find some generic snacks. Okay. Yeah, I don't think you want to. Please, I felt bad for Cookies when Mike had to ride with him for the Michigan State game.
Already plugged in.
Like you really took the electric car and put Mike in that. Wow. That
And
was
then pulled
ballsy.
over to plug in. Hold on.
Plug and play.
Get there, yeah. It's like your old CD player when you didn't have the power cord anymore. Just play.
He was seething. Oh, yeah. All right, I got one more for you. Your friend invites you to the Lions watch party at Ford Field. If the Lions win, it could be the experience of a lifetime. Am I wrong? But here's the problem. You're worried your friend won't be able to control himself in public and get a little too hyped and maybe overserved. What is the better choice? Go to the watch party or play it safe and watch at home with family?
Yeah, your friend's gonna be right there with about 50,000 other people who will be overserved.
I was gonna
and a little
say,
too hype.
I've seen so many people at Lions games.
Down.
Yeah, Kenny, grab that mic real quick. I got this. No, because I've seen people way worse than, like, if you think you're bad at a sporting event or a concert or whatever, there's always, especially at a Lions game, there's always somebody relatively close to where you are that's way worse than you
Yeah,
are.
I guess it's true. Like, Rico's right in the fact that if I was standing there with my arms folded, not
It's
showing
you.
any emotion, I would be out of place.
Yeah, you're
I would
the jerk.
I would look insane.
You're the jerk. Oh, why'd you bring him?
I just don't want to see a game on the field. Meaning, they're not there, you're watching a TV, if you're too overserved and you start trying to get to the field,
touching somebody no, if they win, do you rush the field
Yes.
and just celebrate
Kind of,
like
yes,
they do,
you do.
like they did at Michigan?
I think you do.
I mean,
I think you have to.
right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go rush the driveway or something when it happens. I
Yeah,
don't
you
know.
have to. They
Rush
just went
the
to the Super
driveway.
Bowl. Yes.
Oh yeah, the amount of fireworks and stuff that are gonna go off Sunday night.
No,
if
you're
they
right.
win that
If they
game.
win that game, I'm going outside because there will be a ton of fireworks in
I
my
just never
neighborhood.
heard of rush the driveway. When they beat the Rams, I had to like throw trash out. There was a guy in my neighborhood just yelling, "We're good!" I'm like, oh my goodness. Recycling bin and just started slinging everything in the air. He was going nuts. Yeah. You just start tossing trash.
David's gonna streak in the driveway.
Oh, I'm not. I'm just going to watch the fireworks. I'm not going to be excited.
It's gonna be
I'm
nuts.
not going to go crazy.
I bet if people are in their car, they're gonna be hammering the horns. It's gonna be like when the Stanley Cup happened.
Back in
Well,
04 when the Pistons
No,
won,
no,
I'm
no,
driving
no, no,
home.
no.
Oh,
No, I can say this. This city has not seen anything that will rival what will happen.
No.
It's gonna be insane. No. Imagine the Stanley Cup celebration. Imagine Maglio's home run. Multiply all of those by 1,000, and that's what will happen. Eggs are gonna be flying. I'm talking for those who can remember. Forget about what happened when they won the World Series in '84. No. This town will go
yeah,
crazy.
you're probably right about that because I was in a very nice restaurant for the Maglio, and everyone just screaming and